This valley was created in fire. It was sculpted by nature's greatest tool, releasing the power of an atomic blast, turning day into night, covering the land with ash and cinders, creating mountains and rivers of rock. Now the land is silent. The flames and fury are gone, but still you can hear the volcanoes whisper in the wind around the mountains and rocks, which remain to remind us of what went before. In the cold lava flows, in the cinders we use as gravel, in the cinder cones that surround the valley, in the rich volcanic soil which nourishes our ponderosa pine forests and the grass for our cattle. The Sprinerville volcanic field has fired the imaginations of visitors and the inhabitants of the White Mountain area since prehistoric times. Extinct volcanic cones surround Sprinerville, and extensive lava flows can still be seen today. The field covers over 1,000 square miles and contains 405 vents. Most of the volcanoes in the Sprinerville field are of the type of volcano called cinder cones. They are built up by eruptions of semi-molten volcanic rock that are blown up into the air as red-hot molten fragments. They are welded together due to the extreme heat as they fall back to the ground. The impressive Casamalapai archaeological site was built by early inhabitants over ancient lava flows. The ancient rock art that is carved into this hard stone is a reminder to us that there were many who explored this land before us. Information and tours of the site and museum are available at the Heritage Center. The whole area between Sprinerville and Sholo is mostly made up of lava flows. Every hill or knoll is an individual volcano, with the older ones being timbered and the younger ones barely covered in grass. Some of these cones contain craters. Another volcanic field in the area is the White Mountain volcanic field, which is south of Greer. In the center of the White Mountain field is Mount Baldy, which is sacred to the Apache people. It is a complex volcano which spewed forth volcanic rock to build itself into the second highest point in Arizona. Mount Baldy is about 10 times larger than Mount St. Helens. Mount Baldy is believed to have erupted about 8 million years ago and continued to erupt for about 500,000 years. Escadilla Mountain is the most identifiable point in the landscape. It is an extremely large volcanic structure. Escadilla is the third highest peak in Arizona. Visit Sprinerville and check out the volcanic fields. Driving tours and hiking trails are available. Contact the Sprinerville Eager Chamber of Commerce at our Heritage Center for more information.